How to manage typing suggestions in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control what suggestions appear as you type across your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Time and Language in the left sidebar. After that, click on Typing on the right side of the screen. At this point, the main toggle to focus on is Show Text Suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. Turn this on to enable word suggestions that appear above your text field as you type, or turn it off if you find them distracting. Following this, scroll down and you'll see a toggle for multilingual text suggestions. Turn this on if you type in more than one language, so suggestions pull from all your active keyboard languages at the same time. After that, if you use a touchscreen, scroll down and click on Touch Keyboard to manage suggestions specifically for the on-screen keyboard. From here, inside Touch Keyboard settings, you'll find options to show or hide the suggestion bar that appears above the keys while you type on the touch keyboard. At this point, go back to the main typing page and make sure Highlight Misspelled Words is toggled on if you want incorrect words flagged visually while suggestions are active, so nothing slips through unnoticed. Finally, all of these settings work together, so you can mix and match whichever combination of suggestions and corrections feels most natural for the way you type. That's how you manage typing suggestions in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!